This time, I, Krishnendu and Ashvika go visit the Andamans and experience how this fragile ecosystem fights for survival. Foresters like Mohammad Hussain, who has worked here for the last 6 years, are at the forefront of this constant battle. He gave up a flourishing career as a mechanical engineer. As he proudly says,
I feel very lucky और मुझे पैसा मिल रहा है इस चीज़ के लिए कि मैं यहाँ पे बैठ रहा हूँ टर्टल मॉनिटरिंग के लिए और ऐसे ब्यूटीफुल सनसेट और ये सब देखने को मिलता है। व्हाट्सएप पे मेरा प्रोफाइल पे वो डालता है माय जॉब इज़ बेटर देन योर वेकेशन।
the key to a frontline staffer's work here is versatility. There is protection and monitoring work to be done, both in the marine and the terrestrial worlds. He has to fight the poachers while monitoring the turtles and the corals. A week with him opened us to his tough but exciting world.